The Larson Electronics IND SM4P1824-4L MS120V6E is a germicidal UV sanitation light which can disinfect 99% of viruses, bacteria, mold, and spores in large facilities. This budget-friendly unit offers UVC output at a range of 200 nanometers to 280 nanometers and comes equipped with 4 18-watt UVC fluorescent lamps. A top-located carrying handle allows the UV light to be carried or moved around the facility. The lights emit a flood beam pattern and have an expected lifespan of over 8,000 hours. This system offers 20 watts of total UV output. This UV system caters to large areas with 360 degrees of coverage. Operators may move the light around after exposure time to disinfect several locations. With the recommended 20 to 25 minute exposure time for viruses, multiple units can be purchased to cover larger areas more quickly. This unit is made out of 16-gauge powder-coated steel with a white finish. A built-in on-off switch is available at the front of the unit, and it includes a PIR motion sensor which will deactivate the unit upon sensing movement. A compact remote control can be used to turn the fixture on and off, as well as set 15 and 30-minute run times. We offer a heavy-duty version of this UVC fixture, which is designed for rugged applications. This alternative is capable of cleaning 15-foot by 15-foot areas during UV treatment. Large push buttons with labels are available on this unit for easy operation with gloves or protective gear. This superior alternative features both vertical and horizontal guards. The fixture also comes with a longer and more durable cord. Protected by a metal housing, this industrial model does not need to be frequently replaced, as it is suitable for long-term sanitation. To check out our complete selection of UV sanitation and disinfection products, visit Larson Electronics today! At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today. These units can be used with all room lights on or off. Any lights present in the room are fine. The carts can even be used in sunlight. Frequently asked questions. How long does the fixture need to operate to kill viruses? A 30-minute exposure time is required for killing viruses. What if I want to disinfect a larger area than the square footage that is listed in the specifications of this product? You can move the product and cover other areas. Each time the unit is moved, the exposure time starts again. What if obstacles are in the way of the UV light while it's disinfecting? You will need to move objects around and disinfect again for another 30 minutes. If the cart does not have a direct line of sight, it will not disinfect. This is a non-ozone UV generating product, so it does not penetrate through solid surfaces and will not reflect and clean the underside of objects or behind objects. If you do not have a direct line of sight from the light, you will need to move it around or move the obstacles to create proper exposure. Do I need to wear protective gear? Yes. UV radiation is not safe for your eyes or skin. Is this product skin safe or eye safe? No. UV radiation is not safe for the eyes or skin. Please read the manual for UV safety requirements. Here are some general guidelines for safe operation of UV sanitation lights. Never look directly at the light when it is activated. Use protective eye and face gear. Cover the hands, arms, neck, legs, and other exposed body parts. Avoid touching a disinfection lamp that is on. Set up signs, markers, or cones around the area to warn others of ongoing sanitation. Do not handle a broken or cracked UV lamp with bare hands. During large-scale operation, people should not be present inside the room. Block off access to the general area by setting up signs. Close and cover all windows to contain stray UVC light beams. Do not stand in front of the lamps when turning on the UV disinfection cart. After sanitation, power down the UV light before entering the room or handling the cart. Additionally, we recommend using respiratory masks when performing UV sanitation in potentially contaminated areas. These vital safety accessories have two benefits. They prevent individuals from breathing in deadly viruses and toxic chemicals, and they help reduce direct contact when touching the face and mouth. Light maintenance and care. Periodically check the UV lamp before and after use for damage, especially when experiencing light flicker. If the lamp becomes too hot to touch, allow it to cool before inspection.